In the latest Fusion 360 release, we made an improvement that allows you to copy and paste individual T-Spline faces. So in this case, I've selected 4 faces, and I'm going to use the Shift and Up arrow, which works on both Mac and Windows, in order to be able to select the cockpit area on this toy model of a plane. Now that it's selected, I can use the Copy and then Paste, and now it's created a new body with just those pieces. I can move those out of position a little bit so you can see it more clearly. I say OK, and now I've got a separate body with just the selected faces. Now this had been extruded to create that cockpit area. In order to be able to utilize it in another spot, I'm going to make a little change to it, and that's that I'm going to select these vertices here and delete them. And notice it's going to go from a 5-sided face to a 4-sided face, and hence it's going to be round across there. So now I've got this cockpit, and I'd like to utilize it someplace else. I could integrate it with a T-spline, or in this case, I've got a body that is already converted into B-Rep surfaces. So now I'm going to double-click here and use the edit form to put it down into position. We're just going to roughly position it here. Use the scaling to get it a little bit closer. Go into a top view, see if it needs to be scaled on the side. That's pretty close. I could maybe select that vertice and tug it back a little bit. That's good. That's close enough for what we're going to do here. Now, since I've got it in position, I'm going to use the match feature. And what match does is it allows you to take T-spline edges. So I'm going to take this loop of edges here, and I'm going to get it to snap to this boundary edge right here. And now it's been placed approximately on that boundary. It isn't within a tolerance, it's just shaped it to that boundary. There we go. So by copying and pasting specific faces, I was able to utilize that cockpit, copy it, paste it, and using the match command, fit it to that boundary on the inside. So that's the copy and paste of T-Spline faces. Thanks.